Today's student speaker, as mentioned, is Dawood Al Nabhani. He's receiving his master's degree in mechanical engineering and will be continuing on here at University of Michigan-Dearborn for his PhD. Very excited about that. He was selected in a competitive application process among his peers to represent his class today. So it is my pleasure to welcome Dawood to the podium.
Thank you. I would like to start by saying we have done it again. Good afternoon. Provost Scarlata, Dean Cridley, distinguished guests, faculty, proud family, and of course, my fellow graduates of class 2024. The next generation of problem solvers, we made it. I stand here before you not just as Dawood Al Nabhani, your fellow graduate, but as a testament of the transformative power of the University of Michigan-Dearborn. Reflecting on the remarkable journey we have taken together, I am deeply honored to stand as this podium representing the collective achievement of our cohort. First and foremost, I want to extend my deep gratitude to each one of who has helped us in shaping our success. A heartfelt thank you to the devoted faculty and staff whose guidance and wisdom has fueled the journey and success of our journey. To our families, your unconditional support and belief in us have constant source of strength and motivation throughout this journey. Within the University of Michigan walls, we have all formed a family of friends. And personally, I have met my wife, who's also a proud alumna. In the present moment, I would like to I find myself deeply compelled to reflect on the diversity and the culture exchange in our campus. I had the privilege to witness that firsthand, the power of embracing diversity. Our university serves as a connecting bridge between different continents and bringing cultures together. If you look around you, you would find yourself seeing somebody from a different culture, speaking a different language, came from a different country. And that's what inclusion is all about. Each interaction between all of us has unfolded a valuable lesson. And every valuable lesson shared contributes to our overall experience. Let us take a moment just to reflect on these kind of challenges and made us who we are today, and embrace the hard time that made us stronger. So I would like you to take a moment to take a deep breath and close your eyes. I still see some eyes open somewhere. So let me tell you this. Do you remember the time you spent all night working on a difficult assignment? Despite the difficulty, we kept going, eventually finding a solution and meeting the deadline. With that dedication and touch of creativity, rest assured that we all have the capacity to unravel the complexity of any of forthcoming challenges in the future. And now I would like to share two lessons that I have learned from you, from mentors, from faculty. The first lesson is never stop learning. Because the day we think we know it all, that's the day we stop growing. Curiosity is the fuel that drives every innovation. So let's keep exploring and keep pushing our boundaries until we make it. Because only by challenging the limits, we can turn the impossible to be possible. Lesson number 2, teamwork makes the dream work. I believe that we all agree that we have taught this repeatedly. And guess what? We have proved it right. It's through collaborating in group projects and incorporating our diverse experiences to achieve a shared goal. We have emerged as accomplished achievers. My fellow graduates, let's face the future with courage. Let's surf on top of every wave that tries to hit us, and let's never forget the impact we have to make the world a better place. And always remember, you have a strength of 1,000 late-night sessions, the stamina of 1,000 cultural adjustments, and the unconditional support of 1,000 fellow graduates cheering you on. Finally, I would like to remind all of us that we are only ending one chapter of our life and getting ready to the next one. So let's go forth and build our dreams. Congratulations, class of 2024. Go Blue and go Dearborn!
Very nice remarks, Dawood. Thank you so much. So inspiring. Thank you.